Hey, what is going on everybody? I'm Riz and welcome to another awesome video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can AirPlay to a Samsung TV. And it's being AirPlay right now. It's pretty awesome, right? I mean, there's no lag, no need to download any third-party apps. It is just absolutely awesome. Everything is built into it. Yeah, it's pretty awesome, so let's just dive right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do on your iPhone, any iPhone by the way, this will work with literally any iPhone. Hold on, let me just turn down the brightness just a tiny bit so you can actually see what's going on. Alright, so the first thing you want to do on your iPhone is basically make sure your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi. If you don't have home Wi-Fi, you could always use your hotspot. So I'm going to show you both. So just go to your settings page. Wait. Now inside the settings page, go to your Wi-Fi settings. And inside the Wi-Fi settings, make sure your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi. It's free, it's homey, and you don't have to worry about data plan or credits or anything like that, like hotspot. If you want to use hotspot, you can always use hotspot, but it's going to be using your mobile services. Just be careful with it. It's not free. I would not recommend it. All right, so once your iPhone is connected to your Wi-Fi, that's pretty much all you have to do. You don't have to download anything on your iPhone to AirPlay to a Samsung TV. So it's really that simple. By the way, we will be using the AirPlay. We will be using the screen mirroring feature inside the iPhone. So yeah, let's just dive in. All right. So the first thing you're gonna do on your Samsung TV to AirPlay your iPhone is to. By the way, I'll be using the old remote controls. So just for the sake of this video. Okay. So the first thing you wanna do is press the menu option. Press the menu button. Really simple, really easy, and go all the way down to general settings. Now inside the general settings, go to your network settings. Now you have a couple options in here. So you have network status and open network settings. If you have never done this before, if you have never connected your TV to Wi-Fi before, click on the open network settings, and if you have done this before, click on network status. That will automatically check the status of your Wi-Fi on your TV. So in this case, I'll just, for the sake of this video, I'll click on the network settings. This way it will automatically scan for, by the way, you have two options. You can use wired and you can use wireless. In this case, I'll just click on wireless and make sure your TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi as your iPhone is connected to. By the way, that is my hotspot, but I'm not going to be using hotspot. Click on your home Wi-Fi, and that's pretty much all you have to do. My TV is connected to the home Wi-Fi, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Now, on your way back, go to the general settings again, and if you look down just a little bit, you will be finding the Apple AirPlay settings. Now, here's a pro tip. You don't have to manually enable this every single time. Just do this for just do this for the first time, and you don't have to manually enable it every single time. So in this case, just open the Apple AirPlay settings, and it should look exactly like this. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. It should look exactly like this. Now what you want to do is to take your iPhone out and go to your control center. Let me just go to my control center. And inside the control center, just click on the screen mirroring option, and you will see your Samsung TV. In this case, that is my Samsung 8 series. So just click on it, and it should automatically mirror your iPhone or any iOS device to your TV. By the way, let me just tone down the brightness so you can actually see that it's actually pretty good. So let me hold on. Okay, so the brightness is down. It is working flawlessly. It is amazing how good this actually works. So you can use anything you like. In this case, I'll just give you an example of using my camera. So let me just take up a photo of my chibi charms right there. And you can open up the photo and you can zoom in on a photo, and it will automatically zoom in on your TV. It's pretty amazing how good this actually works. So you can do whatever you want. You can move, you can pivot, and you can basically do a lot with this. Now, that's not the only thing, honestly. You can even watch YouTube videos if you want to. So let me just open up a YouTube video. So let me just open up my YouTube, and you can actually watch YouTube videos if you want to. Really great, really awesome. Even watch your Insta. You can even use your Instagram if you want to. So let me just open up a photo, and just to show you an example, let me just zoom in so you can see that it actually zooms in when you want it to be. It's pretty awesome. By the way, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Tons of great content there as well. But that's pretty much it for the video. Pretty simple, right? And if you wanna end this, really simple as well. If you have the 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, just click on the dynamic island and you can click on the stop mirroring. That's pretty much it. Now, here's a pro tip. If you want to do this again, just go to your control center. You don't have to manually enable the AirPlay every single time on your Samsung TV. Go to the AirPlay settings and click on the Samsung TV, and that's pretty much it. And if you want to stop, just click on the screen mirroring, click stop. That's pretty much it. If you want to do it again, you can just click on the Samsung TV, and there you go. It's pretty neat, pretty awesome. But that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you. Peace out.